Happy Tuesday. I'm out here at the community garden checking on my plot. Here in this at the end is my garlic, which takes about 9 months. I planted it late October or 1st of November, and in the summertime it'll be ready to harvest. Here I've got my dinosaur kale. I am going to go ahead and harvest most of that. That is my celery. I actually planted that last fall, so I've had a nice good year. That's strawberries. I had to clear a lot of those out, and it's okay if they go ahead and dry up and die for the season. They'll come back. They are ever-bearing strawberries. And then over here I've got some collard greens. We see them over there, they kind of flopsy-topsy. But I will probably go ahead and harvest that. That was arugula. And these are my carrot tops right here, carrots. And over here, uh-oh. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Look at my cauliflower head. I'm gonna harvest that bad boy. Look at my cauliflower head. Hi, beautiful. I think this was another cauliflower or broccoli. It's not doing too well, but it is cold. I was looking and I saw a flashback. Last year, December 30th, 2024, I was outside with a t-shirt on. Today, we're staying in the 30s. So I got a coat on, hat, all that good stuff. But they're getting a lot of good sun today. Just walked over on this side. This is another cauliflower, but I don't think it was amounting to anything, but I'm gonna leave it right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these collard greens fresh from the garden. And I'm just cutting all these lower leaves off, and that should allow for new growth. And then these right here as well. These are the Cascade Glaze collard greens. Now this is the type of self-serve that I enjoy. Why? Because I grew it myself. I'm gonna harvest it, and it's therapeutic. So go ahead, sow those seeds, grow a garden. Part 2 of garden harvest time. Right now I'm in my backyard, and I am harvesting some collard greens right now. Got these collards. Okay, so I've got my collards right here. Let's see, collards. A few more collards over here. Okay, more collards. My mustard greens.